If your recipe calls for Korean chili flakes, also known as Gochugaru, but you can't find any, then don't worry. Here are my top 5 favorite Korean chili flake substitutes that give a similar flavor to your dish. 1. Crushed red pepper flakes. It is simple to find ground or crushed red pepper at any standard grocery store in the spice aisle. These are commonly used in Italian, Mexican, and South American cooking and make the best and easiest substitute for Korean chili flakes. 2. Togarashi Spice Mix. Togarashi Spice Blend goes beyond simple peppers to include ginger, sesame seeds, orange zest, seaweed flakes, and more. It is quite similar to Chinese 5-spice powder, but it has a slightly different flavor palette. The Togarashi Spice Mix will make a good substitute if you don't have Korean chili flakes at hand. 3. Chipotle Powder. While standard chili powder has the heat and color associated with Korean hot pepper flakes, Chipotle powder shares more of the smoky flavor many people enjoy as it is made from jalapenos. However, besides the slightly smoky flavor that might affect the overall taste of your dish, the chipotle powder is a great substitute for Korean chili flakes in most recipes. 4. Chili Pasilla. This variety of pepper is commonly found in ethnic Mexican and other Central and South American cooking and can be used in place of Korean chili flakes. But it is not as hot as more popular chili peppers like jalapeno and serrano. For those who want to add some heat to their dishes without the intense burn associated with hotter peppers, chili pasilla might be an ideal choice. 5. Red Paprika Flakes. As a Korean chili flake substitute, red paprika flakes or dried bell pepper flakes lack the flavor power of the original ingredient. However, choosing a high heat or smoked paprika can help. It is commonly used as a seasoning or garnish and is known for its vibrant red color, but it has a lot milder and sweeter taste than Korean chili flakes. The hottest rated variety is often labeled Hungarian paprika, but it may be more difficult to find in regular supermarkets. Check out my latest post to learn more about each of these Korean chili flake substitutes and where to get them. I have left the link in the description below the video. Check it out now.